What?
I need help!
What are you doing? What did she do?
It's under here. I need help. Move this with me.
What's under there?
Don't be moving my TV.
What's under there?
Your TV's on the wall.
That's all attached.
You know if you start recording sideways and go up, it doesn't change.
What did you do?
Okay, my phone flew under here. That sucks. It's so heavy. Don't! It might scratch it. You gotta lift it up.
You know what? I hope you don't get your phone back.
Crap! It doesn't. We really do gotta lift it up all the way. Lift it up and move it that way.
Her iPhone ain't smart neither because it don't get unstuck.
We need to get something to go under there after we lift it up. Hold on. I'm not trying my best.
Get the boys up. Get
Hey, we need your help.
Derek and Derek. Derek too.
Derek and Derek. D squared and Derek.
What are you doing, Kelsey?
I
My
thought
phone's still under here.
There's no hole.
My phone's still under here. We need you to lift it up so I can get it.
I thought maybe there was a hole.
It's under my arm. In my arm.
Her iPhone's over there.
We need your help.
How
She's
do you do that? You have to be like this and just like
Don't do that. Oh my god, that would have been so funny.
No,
You both
he knocked it
lost
out of my
your
hand and it went and it slid. We need you to lift it up. Careful. Can't to where at least my arm can get under there. Ready? No, you can't.
No, you gotta lift it. You gotta lift it.
Ready? Tilt it.
no. Don't take that stuff off the top.
Just hold it.
Where's it at? It's right here.
Don't drop it down my hand. Oh, I'm so scared.
Get it.
Get it.
Get it.
Get it, please.
It's stuck under there.
Oh
Oh,
my
you guys
God.
are gonna break it. It's cracking. I swear to God.